ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि पेज नंबर 397, थर्ड लाइन। सामान्य पुरस्कारेण च प्रसक्तस्य साधनान्तरस्य निवृत्तिः सर्वत्र नियम विधेः फलम् विशेष रूपेण तु पूर्व अपूर्व विधित्वम् एव। अपूर्व विधि एंड नियम विधि, on that there is a discussion here. In Vedanta, some acharyas have taken Shravanam as Apurva Vidhi. Some acharyas have taken it as Niyama Vidhi. Some acharyas have taken it as no Vidhi. It is not a Vidhi. And in rare cases, it is also taken as
both.
Parisankhya Vidhi.
Parisankhya Vidhi.
So you end up having everything. So how to understand? Because the Acharya, if he's saying it from certain standpoint and he's saying it for certain adhikari. So for Jnana Utpatti, the Shravanadi will produce the Drashta and Adrishta that we saw, and it will remove the Pramana Asambhavana, Prameya Asambhavana, and then Viparita Bhavana. There is one Acharya, his name is Anubhuti Swarupa Acharya, who has written Prakatartha Vivarana. And the other is Vivarana Acharya, Vivaranakar. Vivaranakar Acharya, he has taken it as Niyama Vidhi. And Prakatartha Acharya, he says it is Apurva Vidhi. So right now the discussion is on these two. The sentence that I read, Samanya Puraskarena Ityadi, what it says is, without using any specifics for a particular activity, whether it is karma or jnana. If you take the general thing, then you will have options. Then pakshe नियम विधि, अत्यंत अप्राप्ते और अत्यंत अप्राप्त अपूर्व विधि. नियम विधि is only when there is paksha, means more than one vikalpa is there. Niyamo pakshike sati. So paksha will come before you create the restrictions. Once the restriction is there, only one is to be picked up. So, for example, let us say ashram gate is there. Anybody can come in. Gate is open. When anybody comes in, then we put a restriction. Not ashram gate, let us say the hall, satsang hall gate. There we put a restriction. Only those who want to do Shravanam, they should enter. So Vikalpa is there when somebody enters in the ashram, whether to go for satsang or whether to go to temple. Because both options are possible. They can go for satsang, they can go to temple and go back. But if they want to do Shravanam, then only they should go to temple, to the satsang hall. So earlier when vikalpas are there, it will be niyama vidhi. When of these two, you have restricted it to only one, then it is apurva vidhi, because now vikalpa prapti itself is not there. So when it is samanya, it is niyama vidhi. When it is vishesha, it is apurva vidhi. In this vakya, only this much part you can grasp. Samanya puraskarena niyama videhe phalam. Means samanya puraskarena niyama vidhi. Vishesha rupena apurva vidhitvam eva. Yatha hi. व्रीहि नवहंति इत्यादा वपूर्व साधनी भूत व्रीहि वैतुष्ये विशिष्य अवघातातिरिक्त साधनांतर अप्रसक्तावपि व्रीहि वैतुष्य मात्रे प्रसक्तस्य नख विदलनादेर निवृत्ति. This is drishtanta. Vrihi navahanti. I gave you simple example, Laukika. They are going to give Vaidika drishtanta. Vrihi navahanti. Vrihi avahananam, you have to do avaghata. Ityadau apurva sadhani bhuta. So in that, Vrihi vaitushya karanam, removing the husk. Vishishya vaitushya means now you have to remove the husk. Avaghatatirikta sadhanantara aprasaktavapi. In the Vishishya case, means Vishesha Rupa, there is only one option. What is that? You have to do only Avaghata. Avaghata atirikta sadhanantara aprasakti. Other than Avaghata, you cannot do Vrihi Vaitushyam. This is the Niyama. When this Niyama is made, before this Niyama you had Vikalpa. That is given further. Vrihi Vaitushya Matre Prasaktasya Nakha Vidalanader Nivrittihi. Vrihi Vaitushya Matra is possible through more than one option. You can do Nakha Vidalana, you can do Pashana Gharshana, you can do Avaghata. In modern method, some mixi might be there in which you can put and remove the husk. So some varieties are there. But Yaga expects that you have to do Avaghata. So before that Avaghata comes, there are vikalpas. Therefore, it is niyamavidhi. So when it is samanya, there is niyamavidhi. When it becomes vishesha, it will become
Apurva.
apurva vidhi. So the same thing is for Brahma Jnanam. Vishishya karya karana bhava bodhanat. Vishishya karya karana bhava. That for, in other words, the vrihi, the dhana which is there, what is available in the shop, you can remove the husk through many methods. What is already going to be used for the ritual, which is offered as a yaga, like Devata Uddeshyena Dravya Tyaga is done, that is yaga. So you have already committed that this will go to Devata. You have sanctified it with holy water. Water was already sanctified through mantras, etc. Now that husk, that vrihi, husk removal in that vrihi doesn't have any vikalpa. Is only one. The vrihi which is available in the market, at that time there are vikalpas. Once that vrihi has come here, it is going to be used for the particular karma. Only one option is there, avaghata. Because there is only one option, there is no option. That's why it is apurva vidhi. So this is the Vishishya Karya Karana. Tatha, in the same way now, Nirvishesha Brahmatma Abheda Sakshatkar Pratibandha Nivruttau Shravanadi Atirikta Sadhanantar Aprasaktawapi Atmagyan Matra Pratibandha Nivruttau Sankhyaadi Shastrasyapi Prasaktehe Tan Vishya Vedanta for Brahma Atma Aikya. Nirvishesha Brahma Atma Abheda Sakshatkar. For this, how many options? For Nirvishesha Brahma Atma Aikya Bodha, that Nirvishesha Brahma Sakshatkar, how many vikalpas are there? There are no vikalpas. Only through Vedanta Shravanam you will get it. If there are no vikalpas, it will be what vidhi?
Apurva Vidhi.
It will become Apurva Vidhi. This is the mata of Prakatacharya, Anubhuti Swarupacharya. In Prakatartha Vivarana, this is how he has given. So, Nirvishesha Brahma Atma Abheda Sakshatkara Pratibandha Nivruttau, other than Shravana, Vedanta Shravana, Shravanadi Atirikta Sadhanantara Aprasakti. Other than Vedanta Shravanam, no other sadhana is going to give you Brahmatma Aikya. So actually speaking, there are no vikalpas. If there are no vikalpas, Niyama Vidhi doesn't apply, he says. Niyama Vidhi will apply only when there are vikalpas. Because Niyamo Pakshike Sati. There are no Paksha only. You don't have choice. Therefore, it is Apurva Vidhi. On the other hand, if you say Atma Jnana Matra Pratibandha Nivritta, not Brahmatma Ikya, Atma Vishayaka Ajnana. So Sankhya also says our Shastra is also removing Atma Vishayaka Ajnana. Nyaya Vaisheshika, they will say our Shastra is also removing Atma Vishayaka Ajnana. Yoga Darshan says we are also removing Atma Vishayaka Ajnana. And Vedanta also will say. So now you have multiple pakshas. Each darshana claims we will give you the knowledge of Atma. So then you have vikalpas, 4 vikalpas, 5 vikalpas, 10 vikalpas, whatever. Then it is niyama vidhi, because it is there are paksha, niyamo pakshike sati. But as soon as you say, but I want to understand that Atma as Brahma, all other darshanas will be out. So if you just say Atma Jnana Matra Pratibandha Nivritti I have to do, you have other Shastra available. Sankhyadi Shastrasyapi Prasaktehe. Prasakti is there. But then I am focused only on Vishishta, something special, not Samanya. So Tan Nivrittir Vishishya Vedanta Vakya Vichara Vidhanat. For the Vishishya Vastu, for the specific, Vedanta Vakya Vichara Vidhanam is given. And therefore, now it will have only which Vidhi?
Apurva Vidhi.
Apurva Vidhi. So, he says, Iti Paramagambhiroyam Granthartha. This is a Paramagambhira Vastu. I mean, these things are very, very secretive. Purva Pakshi may argue that among your acharyas only there is confusion. Somebody says there is Apurva Vidhi, somebody says there is Niyama Vidhi, somebody says there is no Vidhi. So we should know what is their stand. And that's why just superficial, some study here, there, hodgepodge, that is not enough. See how he has explained so beautifully. He says, Parama Gambhiroyam Granthatha. Now, 8th Tarka. So, because we are doing this Pratikula Tarka Vichara, he is going to do Pratikula Tarka, Purvapaksha. What is he saying? Nanu, yadi Vishwam Kalpitam Syat. He says, this Vishwa is Kalpita or not? Yadi Vishwam Kalpitam Syat, tada Janmadyasya Yataha इति सूत्रे यतो वा इमानि भूतानि जायन्ते इत्यादि श्रुतौ च जन्मादि uktihi, then you have to read that to ayuktam syat. Ayuktam syat, you know where ayuktam syat is. Second line on 399. Ayuktam Syat. In the middle. So you have to read that way. Yadi Vishwam Kalpitam Syat. So then Janmadi, if Vishwa is Kalpita, why would your Sutrakara write a sutra for a Kalpita Jagat? Janmadya Seta. Why would Shruti say, Yato va imani bhutani jayante, yena jatani jivanti, if the Vishwa is Kalpitam? If it is Mithya, why would Shruti say such things? So 2. You keep counting now how many things he shows. Vishwam, then again you have to read. Vishwam yadi kalpitam syat tada ikshaterna shabdam iti sutre tadaikshata ityadi shrutau cha. Shruti and sutra, he puts them together. Ikshaterna shabdam is Brahma Sutra, 5th sutra. Tadaikshata Chandogya 6-3. इत्यादि श्रुतौ च ईश्वरस्य इच्छापूर्वक कर्तृत्व उक्तिः देन अयुक्तम स्यात्. Ayuktam means you have to take it as Kriya Visheshan. Then Ayuktam will be okay. Otherwise, you will have to put Striling, etc. Kriya Visheshan is always Napunsakling. So, who is doing Ikshanam for what? You say Brahma does Ikshanam for Jagat, which is Mithya. Tadaikshata. Ishwarasya Iksha Purvaka Kartrutva will be Mithya. Next. Vishwam yadi kalpitam syat tada lokavattu lila kaivalyam. This is the sutra, Brahma Sutra. And aptakamasya kaspruha ityadi shrutau. Aptakamasya kaspruha is Mandukya Karika, number 9, in 1st chapter. Ityadi shrutau, there might be some such shruti also, we don't know. Prayojana bhavepi leelaya srishtyadi uktihi ayuktam syat. So there is no prayojan. Ishwar has no prayojan. But how does he create srishti? By the way, I am assuming ikshaterna shabdam, you know this sutra. Ikshaterna shabdam, ikshatehe. Ikshatehe, Brahma does ikshanam. Na ashabdam. Ikshanam is done by Brahma, not by pradhanam. Na is for pradhana nisheda. Why ashabdam? There is no shruti which says pradhana doing ikshanam. So Sankhya Yoga Darshan Khandanam is done there. Lokavattu lila kaivalyam. Paramatma creates this srishti like lila. So that Mandukya Karika is mapped here with this sutra. Bhogartham srishtirityanye
Kridaarthamiti cha pare.
Kridaarthamiti cha pare. The Krida is this. Devasyesha svabhavoyam aptakamasya kaspruha. So lokavattu lila kaivalyam. Like how in the loka, lila is there for any creation. In the same way, it is Paramatma doing creation. then yadi vishwam kalpitam syat. So that will be ayukta. Further, so if there is Purva Pakshi saying if there is no prayojanam, and then Leelaya Srishtyadi Ukti, what is the use of Mithya Srishti? Vaishamya Nairgranye na Sapekshatvat iti sutre. This is Brahma Sutra again. Vaishamya, understand how much Purva Paksha also is studying Brahma Sutra. Vaishamya Nairgranye na Sapekshatvat. In Paramatma, there is no Vaishamya and Nairgranya. Why? Because the karma phala is karma sapeksha. So, Ishvare Vaishamya Nairgranye na. Karma phalam tu karma sapekshatvat. Karma phala is karma sapeksha. Ishvara is not Vishama in giving results. He is also not Nairgranya. Means he doesn't have any hatred towards anyone. This sutra is supported by Punyana Punyam Lokam Jayati. It should be, not Nayati. Nayati is also there. Okay. Nayati is there in Prashna Upanishad. Punyana Punyam Lokam Jayati or Nayati Papa Papena Ubhabhyam. This is given in Chandogya. Ubhabhyam Manusha. So all the Loka Prapti etc. Ishwar doesn't decide. Your karmas will decide. So Purva Paksha says if Jagat is Mithya, Kalpitam, so what is the use of karma sapeksha, Vaishamya, ityadi? Ityadi shrutau cha karma sapekshatvena avaishamyoktihi ayuktam syat. That there is no Vaishamya because it is karma sapeksha, this is ayukta. Tejo atastatha hi aha iti sutre vayoragnihi agnerapah ityadi shrutau cha teja ader vaivadi janyatva uktihi ayuktam syat. Teja utpatti ataha tatha hi aha. Teja utpatti is from Vayu. And tatha hi aha. So is said in the Shruti. Vayoragnihi. So he says this is kalpitam, and you look at Teja is utpanna from Vayu. Kalpanika only. And therefore, why all this sutra, rachana, etc., etc., etc.? And if you accept that it is not kalpanika, then that is what we are saying, that Jagat is Satyam. So, Teja Utpatti is from Vayu. Vayu is Karana. Teja is Karya. Teja is Karana. Jala is Karya. Jala will become Karana. Prithvi is Karya. All these Karya Karana. What is the point of giving all these things if Vishwam is Kalpitam? Viparyena tu kramo ata upapadyate cha iti sutre prithivyaapsu praliyate ityadi smrtau cha. Viparyena tu kramo. The laya krama is viparita of the utpatti krama. In utpatti, if it is akasha, vayu, agni, jal, prithvi, laya will be prithvi into jala, jala into agni, then vayu, akasha, like that. Then everything into avyakta. So it is viparita krama, viparyena tu kramo, ata upapadyate cha, and so it is available उपपद्यते च how in Vishnu Purana Prithivyaapsu praliyate. This we have seen in Panchikaranam, these shlokas. They will be given in Vedanta Paribhasha also, it will come. So this Smriti, all of them, there is a particular krama for Utpatti, particular krama for Laya. If it is Kalpitam, what is the need of all this? Why would Sutrakara create sutras and all unnecessary? Ityadi ayuktam syat. All this will be ayuktam. So you note, he has given one sutra and corresponding shruti or smriti to support all this. Nahi kalpite tattad virodha shanka tan nirakaranam cha yuktam. If it is kalpita, where is the problem in virodha if somebody does virodha? And why would you do shanka samadhanam? But in Brahma Sutra, all of this is done. So many objections are raised, so many are refuted. If Jagat is mithya, why all this discussion at all? So, tan nirakranam cha na yuktam, nahi yuktam iti chet. Up to this is Purvapaksha. Now, the Acharya says, na prapanchasya kalpitasyapi व्यावहारिक सत्व अभ्युपगमेन तद्दशायां विरोध शंका तत्परिहार परिहारयोः उचितत्वात्. प्रपंच is kalpita, but in kalpita pratibhasika and vyavaharika bheda we create. Kalpitasya api vyavaharika sattva is accepted. It is not pratibhasika. See, drishyatva hetu is there in pratibhasika as well as vyavaharika. But vyavaharika is different from pratibhasika. Drishyatva is same in both, but vyavaharika is different, and therefore the shanka and shanka parihara uchita. Means Purvapakshi's whole idea is that they are only one, pratibhasika vyavaharika. You see, both are kalpita, but we create a distinction. Now some explanation on all these ideas. Indrajaladau adhyaste api Indrajalikadehe iksha purvaka srashtritvadehe darshanacha. Let's say there is a magic show, Indrajala. Everything is adhyasta. But that adhyasta, the Mayavi magician, he has already done ikshanam, how he wants to show things. He already has idea, and for how long the Maya will be there, and then how to withdraw. And only he will know. You say it is kalpanika, bring somebody on stage and let him do, it will not work. Somebody who has that jnana, somebody who has that ichha, somebody who has that kriti, that person will be able to create. So everything is kalpita, but there is a reasoning in that. So ikshanam is there, samarthya is there for this srishti, etc. Yathacha kalpitasya api janmadi upapattihi. Janmadyasya kalpita, but janma, sthiti, etc. will be explained when तथा अनिर्वचनीय वादे वक्ष्यते. At the end of first chapter, this topic will come. Then it will be discussed. स्वप्ने अपि सृष्ट्यादेः श्रुत्या प्रतिपादनाच्च. And in swapna also, अथ रथान रथयोगान पथः सृजते. So in swapna srishti also, if there is any kalpita padartha, that kalpita padartha, how it has come, its shanka, then its samadhanam, everything is explained, even about swapna. And in swapna, if there is vishesha darshana, what is its phalam? No, it says it is all pratibhasik. What is the use? Shruti has explained everything. Then we will see further. अध्यस्तस्यापि सर्पस्य भयकंपादि जनकत्ववत्. What is superimposed? See, adhyastha sarpa will create bhaya. Adhyastha rajata, will it create bhaya?
No, sir.
No.
But lobha can be there because of adhyastha rajat. But lobha will not be there because of sarpa. In other words, even though both are kalpita, what will create what karya, effect, what will be its impact, it varies. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sudra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.